Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing of my Citizens of Soil delivery. So this is actually an olive oil subscription box. It popped up on Instagram as a sponsored ad, and I am old and I like cooking and I like a fancy olive oil, and I was like, I'm getting in there, I'm buying this. And I have to say, I am no regrets about it. I love it, it's so good. Also, if you want to give the subscription box a go, it's so good. I can't recommend it enough. But it is £15 a month. But with my refer a friend link, you can get it for £10, which I think is really, really good. You can cancel at any time, you can pause at any time. And yeah, it's just honestly, it's incredible. And I think with the £5 off, it is such a good deal. So the description box is where you'll find the link. Enjoy. So basically, it's an olive oil subscription. I have recommended this to so many of my friends now. I absolutely love it. And every single month or every other month, you can choose. You get a 500ml bottle of olive oil, and it's always from a different supplier. And yeah, it's just like the best olive oil. It smells incredible. It tastes incredible. It's so much better for you. And it's actually not much more than buying olive oil from the supermarket, but it's way more fun and way more delicious, and I feel like it's doing more good for the planet and people as well. So let's open mine up. Okay, so let me show you how it comes. So every month they tell you a little bit about where the olive oil is from. So this one is from the region of Seville. It's got a taste of vine tomatoes, green artichoke and black pepper. And it's from a new harvest of December 2024. It gives you some seasonal recipes. It tells you a little bit about is it a vineyard, an olive grove? It tells you a bit about where it comes from. And then underneath is this pouch of extra virgin olive oil. So again, on the back, it tells you a little bit about the olive oil, where it comes from, the tasting notes, the pairing. And also this is extracted without heat, without chemicals. And it's just a really great quality olive oil. And they have, this is so bougie, they have an olive oil sommelier. So let's open it up and give it a sniff. Smells so good. You can really get that kind of viney tomato. It's got a bit of a citrusiness. Oh, it's so good. Okay, let's go downstairs and dunk it in some bread and try it. Okay, my boyfriend was downstairs working, so I thought instead of filming while he's on a conference call, I would bring the olive oil upstairs. So I've got some olive oil, I've got some homemade bread, and I'm gonna get dipping. Okay. It smells so good. Oh, that's really good. Oh, it smells so good and it tastes amazing. It's quite herby. It has definitely got that black pepperiness. And I'm no olive oil expert, but this is really good. It tastes very restaurant quality. It's so good. My goodness, you know an olive oil is good where you can literally take yesterday's homemade bread, dunk it in and be like, oh my God, what a good treat. I'm literally mopping up every last drop. That is so good. So good. Oh my God, that is so good. So every month you get a different olive oil. You can pause at any time, you can cancel at any time. It's £15 a month, which I think is worth every penny. But with my refer a friend link, you get £5 off your first order, which is below in the description box. And even if you only do it for 1 month, it's a little bit of a treat. I recommend it all day long. It's so good. You can cook with it, but personally, I only really have it cold because I want to taste it, you know. I want it with salad, I want it with bread. I want to really like enjoy it. And I feel like in cooking, it's just like, it's going to add to the cooking, but it's not going to like, I'm not going to feel its full potential, you know? And yeah, I just love it. It's so good. Anyway, that is my unboxing. I hope you enjoy. If you do want to try it, then do use my link. And I'm just such a fan of the brand. I love it. And I thought I would unbox it with you. If you've tried it, let me know what you think and see you again soon. Bye.